You'll be very happy if you have to go on vacation.
Boss! Charmai! Don't want. Where boss? One dog. Hey! Boy. Udia, uremi so home. We are in Hawaii, near show boss. And you said, tell the name, huh? What beside me, mama? One expert. Only said, I'm one of supporting international teams in Barcelona, Liverpool. One expert, and any secret. Sure, yeah.
And yes, women also speak there too. This cannot be seen this car. Oh yes, it's no open download the app, or App Store and Google Play Store.
When you register with the promo code Vision 2020, you get 200% on your first deposit. That the chat work around and say, so we chat bet in Puna say when yes, I'm out 10% of scanner will use hey. When I pull up scan corner. Boss, could you need to ask about t-shirt this I'm so afraid on no near money idea, I'm a junior idea, the owner. Any so yes, come on. Any one is bet. Well, boss, it is ready. Every year one is bet. Vision 2020. Boss, yours one is bet. Boss, the bag is okay.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
Can't you realize that human beings are eating and so you don't have to mingle with them?
Since when did you even start mingling with human beings? Because the last time I checked.
I don't blame you.
Instead of you to concentrate on your books, you are here proposing to me. You know something? When you complete school, after that I will also complete school. When you come to my house and propose to me, but not here. Do you get me?
Concentrate on what?
And you know what? I saw them. And after seeing them, I said Rachel. And High Spirit was admiring the girl in front of me.
What? No.
I don't believe this. No. Whoa. So is that the reason why you punished that girl? Without any reason? What could I have done?
Cake in the building. It's first to the K-E-L-Vin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobi and Dada, more in Brady, and one paid your crab one pair. Mobi and my pressure, Pim Cock was from my best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I will be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no one team seen to the bank. More in break and Satanya about P 240. Peer pressure, it be real so I can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Moja good for the council, trying to 7 flags I know any other. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what you say yeah my papa.
Be any fear free to be I do it now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to be I do it now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a before, peer pressure before. A before, peer pressure before. A before, peer pressure before. A before, peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure. Pressure.
But on a more serious note, Oga Edochie and his friends never tried. How can they go back to Lagos without telling us?
That's so stupid of them. What kind of bullshit is that?
How? You know, my problem is not about us, but that of Princess. How can she survive in this situation? You are right. I feel so sad for her.
I think we should find time and visit her.
Visiting her?
Yes.
That won't be a problem. But wouldn't you know, now I can't everything about us.
Yeah, that one is a fact. Well, let's plan something good so that we know what to decide.
Yeah, coffee or the bear problem. I'm not quite the mom on try.
She might be going through a lot.
She mommy and plan to be born. I say, oh,
Still rolling. I learned everything on the street, brother. My dreams say we are bad, but we cool, nigga. The hustle get me weak every day, mother. My breath, look at me, mama. I cry with day. I wish I was born so tight, I'm on them missing, share my phone just to make my vision bright. Say bread and come and I swear God boys who know the bet. Slippers that to make a bread. We go blow, we go grow. I feel like I'm in the game.
Yeah, it's good. Good afternoon. Just pour my name for me. Call me High Spirit. High Spirit. High Spirit.
Can't you make you?
Oh my.
Bye.
I didn't know body.
Now, 20K pen on office on Gano.
I miss you today.
Seriously, when you can my block, I'm not.
One no.
I said, I you can take a wood. And Jimmy Buffett, as long as you can 3 years. What does it?
No.
Oh, the
I'm a older man. Yo, madam. That's it.
I'm going to our shop. I don't buy the Aswashina and Kefari. I'm searching our shop. I better to sign one issue.
Nedai.
Charlie, make me check 1 2 go down about
Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 you 1 2. Cause 12. Oh, 1 2 1 2 be na onimi no kana no me hande. 1 2 1 2. There's a force some corner.
What do
you want?
See, I came to see you on some small talks. I wanted to ask if I could come and join your clique. Since you guys run the whole school, I feel you guys. I wanted to ask if I could join.
And why do you want to flirt with phone friends? You are just a toddler. And you have to mingle with toddlers, not big boys like us. Huh?
Yeah. What's up?
Hey. I did buy you so bad.
What's my head?
Who be proud you super? Who marry you?
And anything from me. I'm chop on the phone. What you chop on one? Why you home?
When it did inside in the ana no magaka. He said, "Now what's wrong with that?"
Hey, you little rat! Come here!
Do you hear that?
Because I the rap when you guys do the rap, I don't want to join you guys.
Hey boy, listen. My clique does not accept form ones and twos. Okay? Come on for Jimmy if you are going to call for Jimmy. When I want to join your clique. You think that our clique be KGT clique?
Why did you call me that?
Oh yeah. You are a rat. Yes, you are a rat. Oh, you don't know? Eh?
No.
Let me tell you. It takes only rats to mingle with that guy you call High Spirit. Huh? Okay.
Hey. So you ignore me because of that fool who called himself High Spirit, right? Have you seen his girlfriend fighting you? Huh? And they will put original Bisano.
Please and please again. He is not my boyfriend. Point of correction. Besides, I didn't come to this school to make boyfriends.
Oh, shut up!
There be besides, one must of a boyfriend. I want a better as a girlfriend.
Who came here to make girlfriends? See, let me tell you something.
Who say competency come up? Take him more lessons serious. They be at 24/7.
I was trying to consider you to work with a famous student. Come in, pimp on me, your guy. Now, my friend, our young stars, I would bet you me. You know what you be?
Famous my foot. Excuse me.
Yeah. Oh, by you
Kogu.
Oh, now you today they laugh.
W. When your baby have one cover.
For no do that. This small girl.
If you look sharp,
work on S.
Your man day.
My man day. Why my man no day?
I told you this school man make when you want be ah. Quite cool.
Nina ka.
O de kopo onum.
Nina ka oneso.
Nina ka oneso.
Ah,
she did gay, she never be J-Free. Charlie, she did holy, never will she be lonely. If she did roses, she starts in many roses. She's sweet.
Taking an hour banana, consider now.
She baby girl, let's do this on the day, 'cause you were so fun. She that be papa, my baby girl, nigga. I need you right in my world. My ride or die, lady. Let's do this on the day, 'cause you were so fun.
This girl, she the be oh a beauty to the brain. Sanka or your rapper, me to make us a damn or your ill. She and me cause what the fuck, he be fate or he be luck. Oh a beauty or your cutie from the bottom to the top. Girl,
I'm really sorry for whatever has happened. Why on earth would I be dating Richla, a Form 1 girl? Please, kindly talk to Sheila for me. To forgive me. Where any idea or say or kase nebuo for me. Why?
But the question is, are you really dating that Richla girl?
Sandy, hell no. Richla is just a small girl. She's just a Form 1 girl that I'm close to. She's my little sister. Richla is just a school daughter to me.
How you mingle around with her is obvious.
Oh.
And Sheila even said she was praising that little thing in front of her. Imagine. Knock up all your thing. Hey.
Baby, there are some things I will say, Mamutiasi. Now, you just listen to this. Richla, your school daughter, Emma Sheila.
So what?
Sheila is my babe. So why on earth will I be dating Richla again? Girls, we are not here to argue. Very simple. I am a person who your mommy and say, Monisha Lankasa.
Just imagine.
Let her know how much I love her. You know, say me McDonald. Oh, about just when you any woman dear. Me then make say, me jana ko for money. Come on, many at you. You know who I am.
Andra kwaya position will feel cry. Look, pray the year no will see soon.
That's the reason why she's not picking up my course. Yeah. It's not me say me person money in casa mama, Miss Sherman. Why? You just do your best and talk to her for me,
okay.
please. Yeah?
Don't worry.
You're gonna do that.
Sure.
You're gonna do that.
Sure, but don't try that this time.
Please.
Because I'm gonna take you.
That's your last chance.
Do your best. I got you, babes. Wow, with the alcohol.
Everyone they bow down. May your Joe praise and come and kiss her right now. Oh, you pretty shit reminds of having gay. Share my phone, my name, my Gigi, boom, set true mate. Girl, on the fret me before I say let's do it on the floor. Now you drew round 12, cause it was your King Kong. One I'm true, we am it there. Yeah, we am it there.
They've been faithful to us. They provide all our needs. So why should you stress high spirits? It's high time we also trust the soul people we call our boyfriends. He said he had nothing to do with that girl. And they are not even in talking terms.
I agree too, Sandy.
Yes. You know what? Just embrace him back in your arms as your boyfriend. And let go.
I agree with you, Sandy. And besides, we can't fight all over in this school. We are matured enough, girl. Just let go, okay? Let go.
You know what? Just shake him off and hop on him like
you trust it, girl.
Charlie, don't be muff. Show me love. Namoke kase ya John. I feel you must say your tongue. Charlie, don't be muff. Mr. Timuna, show me love. So will your hard boy at Timuna. So will your fresh boy at Timuna.
Oh no. We can't just let from one guy join our clique. You understand? Fresh boy. I'm not saying we should bring a Form 1 guy into our clique. I'm just informing you guys because the Form 1 guy just made a request.
Oh, guys, it's okay. Now listen to me. This is not a matter of exchanging words here. This Form 1 boy just made a request to join us. And automatically, when you join this group, he will get to know more about us, our source of income. So I think we should forget about him. What do you think?
Simple.
Ice Spirit, what do you think?
I think the Don is making some sense here. Besides, looking at the guy's situation, it's just a request. And although I am the ruler, I can't base on finalizing his decisions or my decisions on this particular issue. We have to come together as one. And that's the reason why I came to you guys to let you know, saying a boy in the Diaba. If this is what you are saying, I've heard you. I know how to go hard on him. Don't worry. That's cool. I know how to deal with him.
That's cool.
Yeah. I will go class again because I share my home because you teacher, you know,
so says so the master for class now home I say wow need to wait my we take you to administration Obeko class it's to say
if you are not father bad.
I roll the streets like I'm in the murder east. If you're the proof, make you bend my niggas in the hood. And you know I know the truth. Try to show a smile, but couldn't left foot and mouth. To be the dog, you out help me to be strong. And to make a day, and I will head my way to the top.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
I've been looking for you.
Oh, really? Yeah. I've been doing some revision here.
Oh, nice. But Richie, I want to tell you something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm all ears.
Richie, I have been crushing on you in this school. But serious, I don't know. I wanted to tell you, but I don't know what to tell you.
Excuse me, you've been what?
Seriously, I'm really in love with you. Serious.
I'm baffled though.
Oh.
Since when?
I don't know, but seriously.
And don't you think it's against the schools?
No, we will do it secret. Nobody.
Listen. It's against the schools. And if
please.
Listen, calm down. I'll advise you date your books instead. Okay?
No, Richie. See, I promise you. Anytime my mom sends me money, I will give it to you. Even my provisions, I will give it all to you, Richie, please. Richie.
The last time I checked, you never proposed. Excuse me.
Oh, Richie.
It's M-E-L-T, that's right, that's me. Put me on the track, it's like you poured on me. What's that? Put your back, but we're living less of money. We're still the best of.
If you could give me one chance, I'ma change everything about you. If you could do this favor, I'ma make your world look so blue. I'm a new guy.
I've forgiven you for all the pain you've caused me. And I want today to bring us more happiness, trust, and oneness in this relationship.
Sure. I'm very sorry for all the pains I've caused you. And I promise not to hurt you again. I really love you too much.
I love you more.
Be intimate to me now. But I'm a woman. I'm you true. A Charlie beer. promise to always be with you.
Let's not cheat on each other again.
Never. I love you.
I ain't to the road. 60609. Me ma, oh do you me ma, oh me ma, oh me de, me ma, oh do you uja mi wa mfia me ansanie, uwa jinjingwa mi to me no, me to me unsa me na mama me pro. Oh, Adombi Sege. One in me go wufu. Oh, me ma de. City braha, me no be at say wo me do hana. Girl, I can't live without you, David. I go do anything for you, oh papa. Oh papa. So means I'm in the come way. Feel man no me in the day. Oh, my baby. Me, ma. Oh, do you way? Me, ma. Oh, me, ma. Oh, me, de. Me, ma. Oh, do you way? Would you me want to me and Sammy?
You said you have something to discuss with me and Frank. What is it? Let's not forget. Can you imagine my wahala yesterday? Why? Could you believe Janet of the girl? That Janet proposed to me yesterday. Hey!
Who's Janet?
That girl like that. That girl in our class, that short girl like that.
That girl who works for her.
Can you imagine? Oh! Could you imagine she wants me to be her boyfriend?
And what did you tell her?
I rejected her proposal.
You rejected her proposal?
Of course, yes.
What reason?
You want me to date that girl?
Do you know that God created that thing for you? Or your own friend Padia?
God forbid.
God forbid too. And if you like it or not, you're going to date her.
Listen, first of all, we are not here to date girls. That's not the reason why we are
It's
here.
normal. Help me finish my course.
And even if I should date, not Janet, no, hell no.
My guy, even you yourself, your mouth don't play music. Every girl you saw, you want to talk, but you can't talk. And by God's grace and by God's prayer, Janet has come to you face to face to say, I love you. It's a happiness to say, I accept. Now, where's my father? I'm coming.
Not Janet.
Aside academics. You
guys are not
serious. He's asking your question. Aside academics. What is your reason for this school?
If you knew, I came here to study.
You are not serious. If you like it or not, you will date Janet.
God forbid.
You to go for if you know that who going to date.
You are not serious.
Hey, sit down. Let me tell you something. Yo, Coco date no fempa dia no. Now I'm going to go chimpra. Umpo. But guys, let me tell you. For this one, you are not going to date the sickness. If the girl is like this, does it mean the V-neck too is like this? No. It's not like that.
You guys are not serious.
But it's true. The V-neck is the important thing here. It's not talking about the sickness. So
go
ahead.
You can date her.
Who?
You guys, of course.
Where? What do you take us for? Do you take us for?
I should rather date her.
Yeah. Because you are the person. You are the one coming.
I'll suggest you guys today.
You are lucky, my man.
I'm
lucky. Why don't go lolo? I'm lucky. Why we don't go lolo? Hey, lucky you. And you just a police in me. And you can confirm say. Down because someone. Now open a go there. Get off from throw. Me need to show can. Who will be careful from trade? I swear it's medicine. Sure. I do. We need to go show can. I'm an apple cry. With your normal face. Now what for say me ana? Hey, give me a minute. Check me out. Frank, Kyekyeku, what are you doing here? Get to the classroom. Hurry up.
Black shows on the beat. Even the beats got swag. Alright, hold the mic. Yeah, I just swag like a G. If I didn't move, everybody wanna see the way I shake the blinks on my wrist. Damn the biz, nigga baby, 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 nigga baby. No one on the corners got swagger like me. Can't stop on doing shit. I'm powered by a battery. I got game.
Were you talking to me? Who else is here? Jarvis, you are the one I'm talking to. Now, I came to warn you to tell that school son of yours to stop bothering joining my clique. He can never be part of me. He can never be part of any of us. He doesn't match to our level. We want him to stay out of our league.
Shit ain't no scenario. My blueprint's tracking, you better feel that. The haters, my pants, man, the niggas flew back. Sure, the session line, my floor shit hard to be from Nash, yo. I asked her if she really wanna go say, yo, but you really gotta take it slow. Yeah, I just swag like a G. If I didn't move, everybody wanna see the way I shake the blinks on my wrist. Damn the biz, nigga baby, nigga baby, nigga baby, nigga baby, nigga baby, nigga baby.
Hey, Waji.
Sir.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I hope you are learning.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm learning.
Tell it, you are looking nice today.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
I love your outfits.
Thank you very much.
Just continue, keep it up, eh?
Yes, sir.
Continue dressing neatly and nicely.
Okay, sir.
You mean Alvin is bothering you to join a group? And which group are you talking about here? Is it Despite Media Group or Adombi Group of Company?
Jarvis, why are you pretending? Oh, so you don't know anything about High Spirit and his boys? Oh, you've forgotten that Fresh Boy, the Don, and High Spirit ran this school. And that stupid son of yours can never be part of us. So warn him to stop bothering us.
You better talk to me mannerly because I'm the senior school prefect.
Even last week, I was awarded the neatest guy on campus.
Wow, amazing.
So I mean to ball of you.
So just keep it up.
Okay, sir.
So just bring you more respect if you continue just like this.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And make sure you learn hard.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I shall meet you later.
All right, sir. Thank you very much for your
welcome.
advice. Sir, sir.
Y'all know that me rap flow to some her in the cold many miles. That's why I said I'm a Randy Bone, my barab with degree, my giraffe heavyweight. But for me, you would need this a murder like your beat. Question haters access. Who is nitrous? I said that I'm a nigga with the
Jarvis, do you know one thing? Let me tell you what you've forgotten. You are a prefect to the Form 1s. You are a prefect to the Form 2s, but not my clique and I. Now listen to me.
What's beginning Juma? Instead of you to concentrate on your education, you are here making groups do. Are you Despite Media Group or Adombi Media Group? I'll make sure I will report you to the administration. Foolish boy! Idiot! Womanizer!
Rachel,
Yes.
I want to talk with you.
Okay.
I've been seeing you roaming about with some of these Form 3 guys. What business do you have with them?
Form 3 guys. Oh, actually, I don't have anything to do with them. It's only Rude Boy who has been bothering me with proposals. And I don't give him my mind.
Rude Boy?
Yes.
If that is what you told him, then it's good.
Okay.
Please, know the reason why you came to this school. To study. And not to follow these aimless guys.
Sure.
So concentrate on your books, okay?
Okay, sister.
Go to Elizabeth's house and call Rice for me.
Okay.
The phone 2 ladies.
Yeah, okay.
Come here. Why do you want to disgrace me? Why do you want to disgrace me? Instead of you to concentrate on education, you rather want to join this aimless group. Give me your belt. Give me your belt. Give me your belt. I'm not sure. What the heck? Why do you want to go to high school and telling me you want to join this clique? I remember the other day I told you to join the school competition. You told me you are not interested, but you are interested in joining clique. You are interested in joining clique. Leave the back. I will give you a dirty slap. Imagine this get to the administration. Don't you know that you are disgracing me? Don't you know that you are disgracing me? Why do you want to disgrace me? Why? The other day I told you to join the school competition. You told me you are not interested. But you are interested in joining clique. What will clique do to you? What will clique or this foolish boys? What will they do to you? What will they do to you? Come on, get inside. Get inside. You two, why? Go. Why are you so instead of you to advise him, you are also telling him senior. So I should forgive him. Make sure on Jimmy, yes sir. Make sure on Jimmy don't go in my school, yes sir. My brother, where I make high school, I send the answer call.
Next on Peer Pressure.
Kyekyeku.
Madam.
If I can, Ada.
No, madam, I was reading a storybook.
It's a wonderful food now. Ever pass Fanada?
I bought it in a dream, so I was reading.
Listen to yourself, you are lying.
Yes, and I will catch the high spirit to sing. Whoa. Oko begi wo mo keke. O pese o be John wo mo keke. Why say me ubum say?
DDT. Abra. Essa o ya bu bone.
In the building, it's first to the K-E-L-Vin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Bradian, no one pay your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, Pim Cock was strong my best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break and Satanya back with 240. Peer pressure, it be real so one can't see me never found the I am in my wood. It became Mojeku for the cancel, trying to 7 flags. I know any other. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what you say, yeah, my papa.
Be any fear free to ye be I do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be I do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I be foul, peer pressure be foul.